make sure you guys check out part 1 before you watch this video.
So let's get into the next question. So how many locks do you have?
I have 97 locks. About every time I count them, I'm like, is this right? But I'm pretty sure. Like, I'm 90% certain.
Let's actually get a whole, like, I don't know, 360 or like a little.
Oh, you want me to?
Like, you don't have to get up, but like, you know, show the people the locks. Yeah. Show them the locks. Look at that. See the length. Okay, girl. She got inches.
Inches. But yeah. So there, I have like about 97 locks.
I have 508 locks. No, just kidding. 510. I think since then, maybe I have combined, like, the last time I counted it, there was like 2 baby ones here and 2 baby ones here, and I combined them. So I guess technically it's like 507 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I have 508 locks. So let me give you guys a little,
locks. She got inches too, baby. Look at this.
Okay.
Wow. Whoa, wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. Wow.
Period.
Yes, baby, yes. Show them what you got.
I showed them what I got. Someone asked what shampoos and conditioners you use.
Well, I kind of use whatever, like, I feel like using. And it doesn't work, like, you just, honestly, with locks, with traditional locks, honestly, like, you just do what works for your hair. For me, I do use conditioner on my locks, but I try not to use as much because of the build-up thing again. Right. Like, I have thick locks, and I don't want, like, conditioner getting stuck in between, and then, like, I get a bunch of build-up, and I don't like that. So, I like to use tea tree shampoos, but I don't necessarily have, like, a particular one that I'm like, yeah, like, I gotta buy that every single time. If it has tea tree and mint in it, go for it, sis, okay? But, like, other than that, like, I'm not really crazy about, like, I use this brand only, like, that's not, I'm sorry if that's what you're looking for.
I'm, like, feeling like our locks are so different. Like, I feel like I know they're different, but, like, they're very different. It really does matter what types of locks you get in terms of, like, difference in maintenance and, like, I know that our locks are different and that we maintain it differently, but it's just so funny to hear, like, how you're kind of just, like, your hair, you can experiment
with our personalities.
Yes,
I'm pretty, like, I'm laid back and, like, I'm like, whatever, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna do whatever. And then she's more like, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, and I gotta do it that way.
I am like that.
She likes to be more organized.
I have a type A personality.
I think, yeah, so it's so funny because people will ask us, like, how did you guys, why don't you have sister locks too? And every time I think about it, I'm like, I can't see myself with sister locks.
I couldn't see you with sister
locks. And
locks.
I can't see you with traditional locks.
Yeah.
And it's just so funny because it's like, it literally fits our personality. Like, the schedule she's on fits her personality. The me being lax and retwisting my hair whenever I feel like it, low-key fits more with my personality.
Me, I do have a specific Sisterlock shampoo that I use. So the first year of having Sisterlocks, they recommend you use a Sisterlock brand shampoo, and so I did that. And then even after a couple of times after the first year, but then personally I was like, and I waited for the green light from my consultants. I was overbuying the Sisterlock shampoo.
Is it expensive?
It's the reasons are personal, and I don't know if I'm ready for that kind of heat right now.
Okay, sorry. We'll put you on the hot seat.
Right now, I just decided not to use it anymore. So yeah, so I use the anti-residue shampoo. What I do is I have a Sisterlocks shampoo wash day routine video, and I will try to link that somewhere for you guys to go check it out, because I show exactly what I use. Occasionally, I will also use, I think it's Neutrogena as well, actually. It's called T-Gel or T-Cell.
It is.
Yeah, Neutrogena brand again. And that's when my dandruff is, like, really bad, because I do have dry scalp once in a while. Depending on the seasons, it gets worse.
In the winter time?
Then in winter time, it's really bad. So what I'll do is I'll put in the Neutrogena anti-residue. I'll do a lot of water to that, and I'll also add the T-Gel.
Don't tell them what you do. They gotta watch the
video.
They gotta
watch the video. You won't regret it, you know? And if you like it, you feel me? Don't watch the whole thing and then don't like the video. Come on. If you're gonna sit there and watch the whole thing, even if you didn't like it, you might as well just put a dislike, the little thing down. Help us sister out. No, it helps me out. YouTube algorithm. If you didn't like the video, let me know. If you like the video, let me know. Feel me? Put a comment. It just helps me out. But yeah, so that's really my, so that's what I use. I don't use conditioner on my hair like I said before. So that's the difference between our, like, routine wash day. I also have to braid and band. Go watch my video.
I don't know no braid and banding. I just go in and out.
So the next question someone else had for us was that they wanted to know, how long did it take your locks to lock?
Oh, to lock? Okay, that's a really good question. I think my hair actually really liked locking. The biggest problem I had was because I started with 2-strand twists. Like my hair kept untwisting. Like some of them were untwisted, and I would get what I would call 2-head dragons. So I kept having to like comb them out because I didn't want a lot of 2-headed dragons. Like when your hair splits in two, because it'll lock halfway and the ends will be out. So they call it. So I've heard it called like 2-headed dragons, and I like that. So I'd have to like comb because I didn't want that. So I kept combing that part out up to where it locked, then retwist. So it'd be like half the lock was like locked, and then the other half was like twisted again. Okay. Yeah, the new twist. So because I kept having to do that, I think it took like maybe I'm gonna say 6 months until my hair was completely locked, and it stopped doing that. So that was the most annoying part.
So I'm still not completely locked 100%, but I would say probably within the first year they started to settle. I was because I have 4C hair, I thought they were gonna lock really fast. And don't get me wrong, it wasn't like crazy. Like I didn't really have a lot of slippage at all. I had like a couple in the corners, man, like not the corners, the border of my hair. Bro, that was giving me problems. They're finally okay now, but like they kept
I had that problem with mine too.
Yeah, they kept coming out.
They kept coming out. I think our texture is different in the front.
Yeah, everybody's hair texture is not really just one texture. It's usually combinations of texture. So like the grid, like even these ones. That's why I had to combine like these little baby ones here. I had to combine them because there was like 2 small ones, and she combined them because she was like, nah. So I'd say I'm not really fully locked. Probably started seeing it settle more like in 8 months. Yeah, I think like another year I'll be fully locked. Like you can see them though. Like you can see like the ones that are like starting to lock, and then like what places where they're completely locked.
So it's like locking in different places.
Yeah, it's locking in different places at different times, which is why I'm not fully locked. Like this one is like pretty good, but you can
look almost entirely locked.
Exactly. Oh, but you see you see where you can kind of, it looks like a braid. Yeah, that's my pattern. It's not a braid, by the way. It's a 4-point rotation is what I use for my hair. When I go get it retwisted or retightened. So yeah, it's not completely locked.
So yours almost locked, maybe another year.
Yeah.
Mine 4 months, but really 6 because of me having to keep retwisting it.
Yeah. The next question we have is somebody asked us how do I keep being the baddest to do whatever.
Shout out to Sal.
Sal. Thanks, Sal. Okay, this is also a really good one too. How long does it take to retwist your Sisterlocks?
So my loctician is just, she's super fast.
She's a boss.
Yeah, she is. She's really a boss. When she's like on her game with me, like if let's say like she does multiple people at a time too, so she's really talented. But like let's say I'm the only one in the shop, like she can finish my hair in 30 minutes. Like I'm not even joking. Yes. I've never seen someone
from mine.
Yeah, I've never seen someone retwist locks so fast though. Like I didn't know like that was possible. And then she touched my head, and then she was like, and she'll retwist and do the 2-strand twist in like 30 minutes to 45 minutes.
Crazy.
Yeah, like if there's other people in the shop, she might stop for a second to wash the other person's hair and come back to me. That'll take like it might take an hour, and she's really fast.
It takes me 4.5 hours to do my hair.
Could not be me.
Maybe actually, good day we could get 4 hours.
I don't have the patience.
Yeah. You know, I just bring in my laptop and study. I mean, it's 4.5 hours of your life.
That's
you might as well be productive.
Time.
It is a very long time. It's normal to me now. Like, it's just how I do my hair. It's very different. It is a lifestyle change when you decide to get Sisterlocks, I think, apart from traditionals. Like, I feel like your lifestyle does sort of change, like, in terms of the whole 6 weeks thing where I can't really like, you have to think about like if I plan on going out of the country or something like that, I have to think about like planning with my consultant. And this is because I get my hair done by someone else. If I start maintaining my hair, I could probably get some of that back. Like how much does it cost to do your hair?
Should you retwist my hair? So again, my loctician is super cool. Yeah, so if you wash your own hair and then go to her, she only charges $40 for a retwist. Oh, wow. And then $10 for a style. $40 if you wash your hair yourself, and then $10 for a retwist style. It's an extra $30 to wash it. So it's $30 plus the $40 for the retwist, so that's $70, and then plus $10, that's $80.
And that's if you're getting the whole thing.
Yeah, that's if you get wash, retwist,
sometimes you go in and just get your retwist.
Yeah, right? Sometimes I wash my hair myself, go get it retwisted, because I like the way she be slaying my hair. And sometimes I just be lazy. And then honestly, sometimes I come home, like if I'm feeling extra cheap, I'll come home and I'll do my 2-strand twist myself. I actually do my own style. Yeah, I'll do my own style, like if I'm feeling, I know it's only $10, don't come for me.
The price of Sisterlocks had me considering. Like when I first got them, I had to save to get them installed because
Yeah, if you want a video, let her know, and she'll make an extra video.
Yeah, I'll make an extra video answering all your questions about my Sisterlocks. But it does, to get my hair retightened, it costs, and this is the cost. Like, she doesn't wash my hair. There's no extra style that I get. This is literally just to retighten my hair, and it is 4.5 hours, so it's a long time. But just for that retightening process, which is super repetitive, it's just like doing a rotation, but she's really good at it, and she's really great at what she does. It cost me $140 to do my hair.
It's a lot.
It is a lot. Yes, it's an actual bill.
Yeah.
It's more than my gas bill for my house to heat me up so that I do not die of hypothermia or pneumonia or any of the EOs. Like, it takes me more to get my hair retightened than it does to heat the house that I live in.
And you still go back.
Then I still go back, which is why I'm going to stop getting my hair done. It's quite the process. I mean, if it takes her 4.5 hours to do it, it's probably gonna take me like 2 weeks with breaks, or like a week with breaks. Like, start the front of my hair, take a break. Do the sides, take a break. Do the back, take a break.
Yeah,
so it's a lot. Yeah, it takes a while.
Right, and I already retwist my hair sometimes. Like, I love my loctician, I love to go to my loctician, but like on the days where I feel like saving a little bit more money, even though she's really great, I'll retwist my own locks.
Yeah,
like,
and that's the nice thing about you. Like, I feel like you can just retwist your hair, like if you feel like it.
Yeah.
Me, it's not that, like, I can't just be like, oh, let me just retwist my hair today, or retighten my hair. Like, it's a whole thing. Like, I have to make sure the grid is intact and stuff, and I have a mirror. Like, I have to do the parts really strategically. Like, I have to get the rotation down. There's a specific Sisterlocks tool that I have to use. You actually have to know how to do it, or else you can mess up your locks. So I have a specific pattern. I have a 4-point rotation pattern, and so it is like, it's a whole process to learn how to retighten your own Sisterlocks versus like, there's a process for you too, but I feel like you picked it up really quickly.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad, yeah. So it's a whole thing. That difference actually has gotten me thinking about, like, do I want to combine my locks and just go to traditional locks? I've had that thought so many times. I just love my Sisterlocks. I really do. I just love my hair. I love the versatility. Like, literally, a lot of times when people ask me, like, and they're tempted to get their hair locked, one of the things I hear them say is that they're really nervous about locking their hair because of the lack of versatility or what they think. I feel like I do more with my hair now that it's locked.
The type of styles I'll do, like I'll just be lazy though, but again, like I said, it fits with my personality.
Yeah.
So I like the repetition, but like if I'm going out, like let's say I'm going to a wedding or something, I'll do cute, updo, whatever. Right. You know what I'm saying? But if I'm like just chilling, like I like my hair to just look like this, or I'll put it in a ponytail, or I'll put a bun. Like, you can curl your locks. Yeah. You can put them in an updo. You can do 2-strand twist, 3-strand twist, and depending on the, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. This
be a lazy
knot
out. Yeah.
And let me tell you, my hair has never looked so good in a twist out or a braid out since I've got my hair locked. Right. Like, I get the best braid out. You know when you have loose natural hair and you get a braid out, you do a braid out and you're not sure it's gonna turn out in the morning. Right. So you have to have like a backup hairstyle. I know y'all know what I'm talking about because I haven't even had times where I was like, you have somewhere to go, so you do your hair and then you wake up in the morning, you take them out and you're like, so puff. Yes. Right. It's a puff today. And I'm doing my edges. That's it. Afro puff today. Afro puff is what's happening, I guess. Forget the fact that I spent like 2 hours braiding my hair last night. It's gonna be a puff. Yeah. But when I have like in my Sisterlocks, literally my braid outs, I never always come out. It always comes out. I never have to be like, oh, gotta have a backup style. Yeah. It always comes out the way I want.
Yeah, my braid outs always come nice. Like if I want a 2-strand twist and I take it out, and it's like a two styles in one. Yeah. Because I'll do my 2-strand twist and then I'll rock that for a week or two, and then I'll let it go and it'll be curly. So it really just goes with your personality. If you're someone who got locks because you didn't want to do your hair, and aside from maintaining your locks, then you'll just be walking. You'll be rocking the kind of the let it go, let it do it something, which is great. That's fantastic because that fits your lifestyle and that fits what you want for yourself. Exactly. If you're someone who wants versatility, loves like doing different hairstyles, trying different things, then you're gonna get locks and still keep that lifestyle because that's your personality. Do not get locks because you're afraid of lack of versatility. Because locks are they're very versatile. Like I feel like even no locks look the same. Like or like if you see someone's hair. Even with traditional locks. Yeah. Like my traditional locks don't look like my cousin's traditional locks.
Right. You know what I mean? They don't look like mom's traditional locks. Like everybody has different types of locks. He definitely jumped.
Sorry.
He jumped down.
I'm pretty sure he jumped.
He jumped down.
I think he's back. I think he's right.
I
That's our
hear you.
cat.
Oh my gosh, no, he didn't.
Oh, he did jump.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
He knew what he was doing.
He knew what he was doing.
He said, they won't think I jumped. Like, he's looking at us.
Crazy.
Anyways, but, yeah, no, so that's Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you, Merce, for coming on. So I love your locks, and I love my locks, and I hope you guys got something from this video. We really enjoyed having you guys here, and doing this video was a lot of fun.
Yes, it was.
I love doing things with my sisters.
So if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification button so every time she posts awesome content, because she will, you'll get that notification.
Thanks, sis.